Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today I want to provide you with some cleaning motivation. Let's go. Hi friends, I thought I would come on and do a voiceover for you since just watching someone clean, not the most fun. But I just wanted to explain my process. Usually I start at the top and work my way down. But I didn't really want to stand on my counters today. I knew my feet were kind of dirty and I don't know. I was having issues with do I stand up there or not, because on top of my cabinets are, various roosters and farmhouse themed items, and I like to pick those up and wipe them down and wipe down up there, make sure all the grease is gone. And I didn't do it, so I've got to go back and get that done. I'll be doing that off camera. Just showing you that I'm using Mrs. Meyer's. I've got 1 cent for each season and holiday. It's a problem, and I'm trying to get to the end of them because although, it smells good and it's fun to have seasonal scents, I need like disinfectant. So before y'all even saw me start this area or start this part, I had already gone through with my Lysol. Oh, I hit my finger. With my Lysol disinfectant spray and wiped down the counter, and then came through with this cleaner and wiped it down again. And then I went in with some Dawn on my cabinets. I like to use a nice easy detergent because I hand painted these, and I did that, gosh, probably 3 or 4 years ago. And I had to get up on this. Yeah, this is where I'm taking off the shoes and socks because I couldn't reach it. So I kind of got up there anyway, but I didn't put my feet up there. Anyway, I like to use just a light regular Dawn dishwashing soap when I am cleaning my painted surfaces of my cabinets, because I just feel like it's a more gentle clean than, say, a Lysol that has those more, chemicals in it. I don't know. Does it have any more chemicals in it than Dawn? I don't know. But do you ever see them wash baby chickens on the TV in Lysol disinfectant? No, you don't. You see it in Dawn. So that's why I make that choice. That is so fantastic. Anyway, so they were due for a wipe down. Again, I'm going to do that upper part separate because, yeah, it's a hassle getting up there. I have to get on a ladder. There's videos of me doing it, and it's just not a pretty sight. We don't want to put that on the internet. So, yeah, I just went through and I wiped my upper cabinets. I wiped down my lower cabinets. I just wanted to make sure that all of the surfaces were clean and disinfected and just ready to go and spotless the way I like them. Let's rock out now. Did you know we have a space saving, electrical saving, cost saving over here?
Oh.
Yeah, you need to start using that. That's why. I think one of the most overlooked items in any kitchen can often be the trash can, especially if yours is sitting out where people can see it. Like I have mine right at the entrance of my kitchen, so I try to always keep it clean. Now that I have 2 people and one of them is a man that has no idea how to aim, we have to clean it just a little more often. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you my method of very deep cleaning, where I wipe down all of the cabinets, the countertops, the walls. I do the floors, the baseboards. I shiny up all of my stainless steel. So I hope this inspired you to maybe get up and tackle just one space. You can do it in one day. However, it took me one day and one night because I had plans with my son and other things going on. So I'm challenging you to take one space, one day, do your best, doesn't have to be perfect, but do your best, and give it a good deep clean. The next thing will be to go through each and every drawer and cabinet, organize and declutter. If you're ready for that one, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments you're ready, and we'll do that soon. Thanks for joining me, everybody. I'm going to give you a close-up as we go out. Bye.